Rain today. It's been raining for a few days. So no bird song. As you can see, the tulips are in the front court and the petunias. We're all enjoying the rain. As are the tiniest little gnomes I have. Stretching because I don't want to go out in the rain just yet. Those are petunias. Those hummingbirds love those trumpet-shaped flowers. It's a fruitless mulberry tree, a huge one that's been growing for about 40 years or more in the yard. Those would be snapdragons in that blue pot, strawberry pot. That's the remnants of some really pretty tulips called parrot tulips, because they're kind of wrinkly and pretty. These are also trumpet flowers, shaped that hummingbirds like to put their long beaks in. The color of these flowers, kind of bluish lavender, or what butterflies like too. Well, it'll be nice when the butterflies come out. And over here, way out in the garden there, is a nice little tree we had in our classroom at Silverado for Christmas. It's a living tree, and I planted it way in the back, you can see, Berry Garden North. But I probably won't sit in the rocking chair today. I don't see hummingbirds out. Usually they're out this time of day, enjoying the garden, which I'm sure they consider to be theirs, without a doubt that I'm the interloper. But we people are part of nature too, and it is nice to have a rain in the desert. Have a nice day.